Yeah, so obviously not Christopher Scott there, but Jeremy Brown. Now, the Class 1 Boys Sprint events will give track and field fans a treat at next week's Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships. In this evening's Champs Preview, Gerard Morris Seeley looks ahead to a few of the mouth-watering events that are set to light up the National Stadium.
The sprint spotlight in Class 1 is already fixed firmly on one name, Raquelme Reid. The Excelsior Speedster enters champs as the fastest Jamaican junior this season, over 100 metres, having clocked 10.16 seconds, and he's won 4 of his 7 races so far this year. That consistency, combined with his closing speed, makes him the man to beat in what is shaping up to be one of the most competitive sprint finals in recent years. But Reid won't have it easy. A stacked field awaits, including the ever-dangerous Sanjay Seymour of William Knibb Memorial High, along with Nyron Wade of Kingston College, Johan Romaldo Smythe of Holland High, and Calabar's Jamal Stevenson, all capable of producing big performances when it matters most. For Reid, the task will be handling the pressure of the expectation while navigating a field where margins could be decided in hundredths of a second. Reid says his preparations has him brimming with confidence.
I'm in really great shape, and I know if I execute my race to the best of my abilities, you're going to see really fast times, so let's just see.
And it won't stop at the 100 metres. Reid is set to double up this year, and he'll also line up in the 200 metres, an event he'll fancy his chances in after a win-aided 20.45 seconds at the Corporate Area Championships. That sets up the possibility of another showdown with Seymour, who won the Carifta Trials in 20.95 seconds. Reid's coach, David Riley, believes the double is well within reach.
I've told him, I've told the staff that what I'm looking for is not his 100-meter performance. I'm actually looking forward to his 200-meter because I think he has something special there. While the 100 and 200 meters promise fireworks, the one-lap event could be just as compelling. The Class 1 Boys 400 meters is shaping up as a 3-horse race between the country's fastest quarter-milers, including Junior Gallimore of Hydel and Jabari Mattison of William Knibb. The 400 meters could come down to Riggs' execution over the final 100 meters, where endurance and composure will be tested. So, from the explosive dash of the 100 to the curve-running battle of the 200 and the endurance test of the 400, Class 1 sprinting at Champs is set to deliver speed, rivalry, and high drama. The Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championship will run from March 24 to 28 at the National Stadium with live coverage on Television Jamaica, Television Jamaica Sports Network, along with radio coverage on Fame 95 FM. Gerard Morris Seeley for TVJ Sports.